everyone, this is me. Oh, not real me. This is my own character. My name is Ngân, but I know it's really hard for you to pronounce my name correctly. So just simply call me Cleo. I'm so excited to introduce myself and get to know more about you. I was born and raised in Saigon, which is known with the name Ho Chi Minh City. You can see a ton of scooters on the street when visiting there. The fact that the city is like choking on fumes and dust, you may feel worried. Despite that, daily life in Saigon remains visible at every corner. I love the feeling of hustling through many people and the energy of metropolitan cities that hums day and night. Saigon is the best place for street food. You can try insanely delicious Vietnamese food from north to south just in Saigon. The local people are friendly, kind, and wholehearted with an amazing lifestyle. I swear you will love the people, the tradition, the culture, especially the cuisine there. Oh guys, I got homesick while doing this presentation. You can use the link that I provided to find more information about my hometown. There are three things I love most in my life. Number one, my family. I'm a family-oriented person. I have the best mom and dad in the world. I have a younger sister as well. Number two, my friends. I think I'm very lucky when finding a group of friends that I did not feel like judged me and that they didn't make me feel small or dumb or intimidated. Let's find a group of friends like that. Then the last one, my hometown. I talk a lot about my hometown in this presentation. Anyone here love traveling? I love traveling and exploring new places and new cultures. My biggest dream is visit Bhutan someday. Let me give you 3 reasons why you need me in your team. Firstly, I'm always willing to help my team members with their tasks if they need. I can reply your messages as soon as possible, and I never ghost you. Secondly, I would bring positive energy and enthusiasm to a team that I work with. Last but not least, I have tons of ideas in my mind to make up with any topic that are provided. This is real me. Don't forget to tell me more about yourself. I look forward to hearing your story and thank you so much and have a great day.